Hey guys, so it's time to take a look at the finished product. So now it's fully dry. Looks pretty good. Hell yeah! I'm excited to put it on. It's super rainy outside and there's nothing but rain in the forecast next day, so I'll have to find a spot to put it on, maybe some like a public parking garage house or something. So yeah, let's do that. Hey guys, so it's not raining outside right now, so I bought this is a 3M VHB double tape, and I had to buy the whole roll, 33 meters. They didn't sell any less quantity, and it was around 90 bucks. 80 or 90 bucks here in Iceland. So I'm gonna turn the spoiler around and start sticking some double tape to it.
It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity. About humanity.
So I've put double tape all around the edges. So I'm gonna wipe water and dirt off the trunk lid and then stick it on and see how it holds.
It's all about humanity. It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity.
So this is the final product. It's pretty stuck on there. But I put like lines all over, so a lot of it is it is touching, so it's holding pretty strong. Looking pretty good.